much for watching. So yeah, that was my way of showing you guys my camera. And just like last time, it's not new. It's pretty old, actually. If you guys have been watching my channel for a year or so, then you probably know my video inspired by Wes Anderson, named Summer Life, and we used this camera. So yeah, it's nice for videoing. If I want good quality video, I will use this or the phone. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I will show you guys some photos of, like, this is the quality of the photos. Yeah. Remember, we are trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of 2026, so if you guys could help us get there, that would be awesome. Tell your family, your friends about my channel, and please tell them to subscribe. Yeah. Well, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a super fun video to make. I really hope you guys will subscribe. Tell your family and friends to subscribe. That would be awesome. Yeah, here are some photos that this thing can take.